Today's topic is to find the minimum and the maximum values in the list of the tuples. We are going to solve this problem using the map and the zip function. Now let me give you a brief introduction that what the zip function does is it's going to take the iterables and then it's going to make that iterable elements based on the iterables which we have passed, and then it's going to return them in the form of the tuples. So in other words, it's just going to map them together, and after that it's going to pass them as tuples. So what we're going to do over here is we are going to find the maximum out of the tuples which we are going to pass, and then we are converting it into the list, and then we are storing it into another variable. The out one, it stores the maximum value of the list of the tuples, while the out two is going to store the minimum value of the list of the tuples respectively, and then we are printing it out.